Hello, Foundations of Literature. I'm going to show you really quickly how to use a site called Flipgrid. Many of you guys have probably used this before. Basically, it's like a website where you can have like an online discussion. So we'll use this occasionally to answer some discussion prompts. So you can just click the link that was dropped in the chat. It's this link right here. I'm typing it in because I have it. And it's going to take you to this screen where you just see like introductions and norms. You're going to hit join with Google. So then if you've got a bunch of different email accounts on your computer already, like I do, you're going to want to make sure that you click the one that's your Hiawatha address, so HCHS student or hiawathastudent.org. And then you don't need to make an account or anything, it just takes you to this page. So here's your prompt. We're going to give you 10 minutes to read through these questions and post a video that answers the questions. So in that 10 minutes, you should stay on your Zoom classroom, but turn off your sound and your picture, so like mute it and keep your camera off while you're making this video. Okay, to make a video, it's really simple. You can look at the example, like for example, I already made a response to these 3 questions if you need an example to go off of. But it's really simple. You just click this question or this button that says record a response. Whoa, 2 places at once. Okay, and you hit record and you've got 3 minutes. It should probably only take you 1 minute to record your response. So I would say like, hi, I'm Miss Hanson. I would live blah, blah, blah. And I think an important thing for norms is blah, 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 right? Okay, so when you are done, if you finish early, you can look at some other videos that are already posted. We're going to be discussing these videos afterwards. Remember to be back in 10 minutes. Go to it.